Entertainment. I made a bad choice.
I just realised, where's all the parents?
They don't want to deal with us anymore.
Well, I'm the parent at the moment. I guess that's what I can say is that the only rule is that there's no rules.
Yes.
So have fun. Union Pacific boxcar versus a VR box van.
America versus Australia.
Yeah, well, that too.
Fair rolling start. Looks like it's going to be a fair race between the two boxcars.
The VR carriage one.
Jai dies.
Exactly. Now, some people call me Jar Jar Binks.
Jar Jar Binks. Okay, looks like we have some assistance.
Oh, I see. So we're going to cheat a bit, are we?
So we're going to put a bit of weight on it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Now, of course, now the American ones are going to win. Oh, hang on.
Well, we're going to have to slow it down.
VR ones win again.
Yeah, no, that one's still on.
You actually made it worse. Congratulations.
Shut up.
Oh my
Go.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Come on, SET.
Your VR one's very good.
Yeah.
Here is one of my wagons versus Richard's wagon. Let's see who wins. It's going to be me.
Yeah, because you have the unfair weight advantage.
See? I knew I would win.
No, that one actually didn't stop.
Hang on. Don't move it. I want to see where it's gone.
Oh my god, Jai, it's over here.
Where?
It's over here.
This is what we have to bolt to. Rolling rail cars.
There you go. Now where's my autograph? When you're ready.
This one has an unfair weight advantage by Taker, so we'll see how it up.
Oh, what?
An unfair weight advantage.
My wagon's still faster.
Just going faster than last time. Yeah. You're asking for disaster. Yeah, good.
I was going to say, you're not that dumb, are you?
No.
I'll pay for it.
Yeah, that's right. You'll have to pay for my carriage.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, see, that's why. Now your carriage is going to go faster.
Oh no! Don't tell me!
Oh.
Oh, it's a tie.
Oh, it's just hitting wrong.
You suck!
Okay, yeah, there's no way I'm winning. There's literally no way I'm winning.
Yeah, there is. Watch. I wouldn't probably go down there, else you won't be able to get it back.
Yes.
So yeah.
So bad.